crossing the yarn over, using the short end to make a bunny ear in the middle, and pull up. Insert your hook and use the short end to tighten it. With the yarn to the ball on our left and our hook in our right hand, we're going to yarn over from in front of us towards us, using the mouth of the hook, pull it through the loop on the hook, and that is your first chain. Again, we yarn over the hook from in front towards us and pull through the loop. Once you have a chain of 21, which can be counted by the little V shapes, each V is one chain. Inserting your hook into the second chain from the hook, we are going to yarn over and pull through one loop. We will now have 2 loops on our hook. We will yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. We work towards our left and insert our hook into the next chain space along. Yarn over our hook and pull through 1 loop, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Into the chain, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Once you have made it to the end of your row, we yarn over our hook and pull through 1 loop to chain 1 and turn our work back to the left. We are now going into the backs of the stitch. We insert our hook and make sure we've got a V shape on top to say we're both through both sides of the stitch. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and we continue along. Insert our hook into the stitch, checking that we have both sides of the stitch on the hook, making a V shape, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and continue until you get to the end of the row. When you get to your last stitch, you may need to turn your work on the side to see the V shape that you are inserting the hook through. To yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over through 2 loops. We then chain 1 again, turn our work and repeat. For a half double crochet, either continuing on our single crochet piece or starting fresh with a chain of 21, we will chain 1, then yarn over our hook before inserting it into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. This leaves us with 3 loops on our hook. We then yarn over our hook again and pull through all 3 loops. Before moving on to the next chain space, we yarn over our hook, insert it into the chain space, yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over our hook, insert into the chain, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Continue till the end of the row. Once you are at the end of your row, we're going to yarn over our hook, pull through 1 loop, chaining 1, and turn our work. yarn over our hook again before inserting into the stitch, checking we've got both sides of the V, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through all three. And again, yarn over our hook before inserting it into the stitch, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over and pull through all three. Continue until the end of the row. When you've got into the end of the row, we've got to make sure we've got our last stitch. And for this one, it is right here. You may not see it unless you turn your work on the side to see the V shape. Chain one and continue with the next row. Either continuing on or with a new chain of 20, we start by chaining 2. If you're working with a chain, we're now going into the third chain from the hook, yarning over, inserting our hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through 1. You will now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. That is a double crochet. Yarn over your hook and insert into the next chain space or stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Yarn over our hook, insert into the stitch, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and through 2 loops again. Continue until the end of the row. When you are at the end of your row, chain 2 and turn your work. Yarn over your hook and insert it into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Yarn over our hook, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, through 2 again, continuing until the end of the row. At the end of the row, we chain 2, turn our work, yarn over our hook, insert it into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Yarn over our hook and insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops again, and continue until the end of the row.